Introducing Art Arcade, the art and craft series that transforms creativity into an adventure. From nursery to grade 8, it's designed to inspire young children and drive their unique artistic expression. Aligned with NCF 2023, Art Arcade offers a modern approach to art education. From finger painting to clay modeling to sketching, Art Arcade guides young artists step by step. It helps them explore their confidence in art. It integrates art with other subjects, turning lessons into vibrant opportunities for creativity, deeper understanding, and holistic learning. Art Arcade focuses on social and emotional learning and sustainable development goals. This helps students to explore the richness of India's roots. Art Arcade enhances every lesson with wow facts, teacher notes, and captivating designs. This immerses students in a journey of knowledge and creativity. And here's the best part. Art Arcade comes with a goodie bag with high quality materials to bring all your ideas to life. Visit learn.pmponline.co.in for ebooks, multimedia books, craft videos, and downloadable worksheets. Moreover, for the first time in the country, we are aligning a technology hardware along with our art and craft books, which is a 3D pen. This 3D pen will help students to turn their imagination into breathtaking 3D artworks. Explore, create, and inspire with Art Arcade. This is where every child's artistic journey begins. Thank you and follow us for more updates.